Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Alcott HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alcotthr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Alcott HR. Now, you can click on the portal login at the top right corner to access the login portal. Now, from this page, you can log into your client account or your employee or manager account. Click on the respective button to log in to your account, and now you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Just type in the username that you set up while creating your account and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your account password and click on the login button, and you will be logged into your account on Alcott HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the reset password option within the password menu. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your account on Alcott HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.